Hello, I'm NathalySaavedraSalazar. I'm from Cali. I'm an UNAT student. Today I'm going to talk about Task 1, the role of the materials designer. This is an activity to the materials design course. I'm from the group 26. Here we go. Task 1 consists of read a task. The task is to Pardo A and Tejas M 2009. This text is about materials design, about the teacher and what is the principal characteristics of these materials. Then we have to answer some questions and make a video. In this moment, I'm going to share with you my answers. So first questions. What was the conceptions of materials development decades ago? Long time ago was common to assume the production of materials for the teaching learning process was unique activity to publicize and illustrate methods of work. Now we are changing the perception and we value the importance to the teachers create their own materials because they know the real situation in a classroom. In the second question, we have to make a list of 6 materials demand from teachers. So the question says, what does developing materials demand from teachers? The creation of materials for teaching language have certain criteria. Let's talk about some of them. First one, a designer, the teacher, must be aware of ingenious and perceptive role, capable of reading the context and designing resources based on the characteristics and possibility to the students. Second, teacher must design the materials in relation to the institutional objectives, the methodology, and the characteristics of their groups. 3. The designer, the teacher, must create materials that attract the attention of the students, use it, and get a specific objectives. The materials teacher should facilitate learning and guarantee remembrance by the students. Number 5. The materials must allow a feedback and evaluation of the process with possibility to improve and correct mistakes. Number 6. We put the materials must offer the possibility of individual and group work as a contribution to the personal and academic growth of the students. Question number 3. What are the components of creating and adapting didactic learning materials? Number 1. Needs assessment. 2. Setting goals and objectives. 3. Conceptualizing content, designing a syllabus. 4. Selecting and developing materials and activities. 5. Organization of contents and activities. 6. Evaluation. 7. Resources and constraints. The last question is, in your opinion, what is the principal role of the teacher when designing language learning materials? The teacher have a responsibility, but have also the opportunity to make that difference, to make that it count. So the teacher, when designing materials for language classes, should focus on the possibility of innovating and generate a change in their pedagogical practices. The designer have to be able to influence the students to be better all day, to get a different skills through dynamic classes and participation. Those are the bibliographical references. That text, the first one, was Pardo A. and Seyes M. 2009. This was the principal text. And also this video was a perfect help to this activity. Thanks for your attention.